Frequent flyers, flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyers back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. And if you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome. So I'm back out here at the park, and guess what? Today is Throwback Thursday. We got some squirrels over there fighting or playing or whatever they're doing over there, ruffling through the leaves and everything. But anyhow, I'm out here because it's Throwback Thursday, and I'm out here with this. This is the TinyHawk FPV, and so this is the very first one. I know that they came out with another model that looks exactly like this one. It's identical to this, if you ask me, and they're calling it something else. I can't remember what it is now, but this is not that. This is not the one that they have out now. This is the one that was originally brought out. This one is called the TinyHawk, and I just brought this out to have fun flying it line of sight. I do have goggles to fly this with now, but I don't have a good class 10 SD card to record the FPV footage. So I'm just going to be flying this one line of sight. I have a lot of fun flying this line of sight anyhow. I fly it line of sight more than I've flown it FPV, I believe. So I'm just going to get this guy up in the air. It does have brushless motors. It is on the D8 protocol FR Sky, and I am flying it with my Devo 8S. And so it does have the original motors that came with this thing. I have the original props because they did come out with some 4-bladed props. I have the 3-bladed props back on here, and I'm using one of my favorite G&B packs. This is a 660 pack, high voltage. I only have it charged up to normal voltage as usual, but let's get this guy up in the air. So let's see. Sound like something's rubbing on it. It is in angle mode right now. Now I'm in acro. Whoa. Had to flip out of that real quick. Got my rates kind of high for the flips. Oh, and I banged out, and it's upside down. This thing does have turtle mode, but it doesn't work with the 3-bladed props. That's why they came out with the 4-bladed props for it. Well, let's see. Uh-oh. I think I might have something stuck inside of it. Just turned over real fast on me. Let's see. Okay, there we go. Back in acro mode. It's always noisy out here when I'm flying. There's a black cat hiding in the grass back there. Go over and fool with the cat. The cat is right here. He's just looking. I think maybe he's trying to sneak up on one of these squirrels out here. Whoops. I got my rates really high on it for some reason. The cat's just looking, or he's running away from me now. I'm not after you, cat. I'm just trying to get this. Yeah. I'm gonna try not to crash so much now with it. Leave the cat alone. Uh-oh. So we got LVC now. Oh. I banged it out again. I'm surprised these props didn't crack yet because the props are really fragile. Let me see if I can get a tiny bit more flight out of it. Warning me about the battery. Maybe I should save my battery. Yeah, maybe I shouldn't let my battery die. Yeah, I think I'm going to bring it in. The TinyHawk FPV. Little quick flight out here for Throwback Thursday. Thanks for watching.